G'day guys, and welcome back to G.SWIFTS Garage. Yeah, just doing another little update video of what I've been up to in the last week since painting the engine bay. Yeah, been down with the old that flu that's been going around, and that wasn't very nice. But all up and at 'em now, so yeah. Last 2 days I've been working on the suspension and getting that all in there and bolted up and set up. What I'm going to do is just whip this wheel off and let you have a look at these front disc brake conversion setup. Yeah, it's a good setup, but I don't know how long we'll be using it for because it's quite heavy. They're Dodge Ram calipers with Ford rotors and an adapter plate, and the weight of it is really it's unreal how heavy they are. So I don't really want all that weight on the front end. So I'll probably use them for a little while till I can upgrade to another setup. But I'll whip this wheel off and show you what I mean. Oh yeah, these are the wheels I'm using anyway. They're a torque thrust American racing wheels. I'm a real fan of the old 70s wheels, and probably going to stay with that sort of theme, something like that, something light alloy. Yeah, maybe welds or centerlines or something like that. Yeah, they're a good looking wheel. These ones here came off a circuit racing Mustang. That's why they got the Hoosiers. Yeah, I'm not running those tyres. They're just an old tyre to move it around, I suppose. I'll show you this rotor setup anyway. Yeah, that's the Dodge Ram caliper. It's just a single pot caliper, but it's really big and cast steel, I suppose, and yeah, she's heavy. She's a heavy beast, but she's all new in there. Ball joints, tie rod ends, sway bar, everything. Yeah, come up nice and tidy. Just standard torsion bars. Yeah, power steering. Got to have that power steering on these big cars, especially with a big block in there. Yeah, so probably go with about a 235 60 15, I suppose, on the front. So yeah, you need power steering. Yeah, she's all new and looking schmick. Happy with that. So that's what I've been up to in the last couple of days. Yeah, got all that done and sorted. So happy with that. What I'll probably be doing is next would be to move on to this. Probably finish this top of the cowl here. Get all that sorted and in primer around the windscreen, and move on to this driver's floor pan. I'm still waiting for floor pan to come through from Melbourne, so hopefully that turns up next week while I'm away at work. Yeah, I'm away at work for another week, so be probably a couple of weeks before I put up another video. You see there the floor pan's pretty knackered, and underneath's really rough, needs a lot of work. So I want to get that sorted before we put the chassis connectors in. And yeah, I think that's what we'll be moving on to next. And yeah, slowly working our way down the back, I suppose. Get down to those back quarters. Yeah, well, just a bit of an update video on a little bit more progress, but I'm happy with how that front end turned out. Looking good, no dramas. Just a bit concerned with the weight of that braking setup. But I should do the job now, for now anyway, and till I can sort another setup. At the moment, getting American parts is a nightmare. So sort of got to make do with what you got. Yeah, I can't even source a fuel tank for it, so might end up having to make one. Yeah, that'll be fun. Yeah, so just a bit of an update video on what's been happening before I fly back out to work. Put you back on this. Oops, that didn't sound good. Yeah, so this was just a video from my phone. Sort of sorted out why I was having problem doing long videos. It's something to do with the Bluetooth remote. Keeps switching itself off and turning the video off on my phone. So at least I sorted the problem. Yeah, so I'll probably leave it at that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hope you're enjoying the progress on the car. And yeah, drop a comment. Odd comment now and then be good, so I know you're out there. Yeah, till the next one, maybe 2 weeks time. Yeah, probably until I get another video up, and probably see you then. Ka kite.